Welcome back! Your sales page looks great, but that's just the opening act. Let's build a complete sales funnel. You need an upsell, a thank you page, and delivery emails. PageWheel creates all of them for you. Start by adding an upsell. Suggest a natural next step, like a workbook or a course. Most brands see a 30 to 40% increase in revenue just by adding this one page. Next, your thank you page. This is where you confirm the purchase and tell them exactly what happens next. Make sure your links are set up correctly to ensure your buyers a smooth, pleasant journey. Then, check your delivery email. We drafted it for you. Tweak the copy, add your social links, and make it on brand. Finally, the metadata. This helps search engines and AI find your page. Add your tracking pixels here for ads, or just leave the default settings and update them later when you're ready to scale. That's it. Sales page, upsell, thank you page, and delivery. Your funnel is built. You're ready to share your link with the world. In our final video, we'll show you how to get paid and get affiliates to promote your offer. See you there.